Today we're making dynamite chicken. Now get that PF Chang's Like Dynamite Chicken in your own kitchen. Let's begin with what ingredients you need. Grab 1 pound chicken, 1 teaspoon honey, coriander for garnishing, some vegetable oil, 1/2 cup cornflour, 5 teaspoons sriracha sauce, 2 eggs, 6 teaspoons mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons ketchup, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon oregano. Let's start with cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Take a separate bowl and whisk eggs set aside. Take another bowl and add the chicken into it. Now add garlic powder, salt, paprika and oregano and mix well and keep aside. Now in a separate bowl add cornflour, black pepper and mix well. Take the whisked eggs and cornflour. Now dip each pieces of marinated chicken, first into egg and then into cornflour mixture and keep on the side. Let's make the sauce. Grab honey, ketchup, mayonnaise and sriracha sauce, mix it finely. Let's fry our coated chicken now and layer it with that delicious sriracha sauce we just made. Place lettuce into a deep glass and add in the chicken. You may garnish with coriander. And it's ready. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy.